Matthew, can you wave?
Hi!
Alright, shall I let it down now, Matthew?
Yeah.
Alright.
So get out.
You want to stay in there, Emma?
Can I quickly get out of the now?
Yeah, you can stay in if you want to, Emma. Here we go. You ready? Down it goes. Now we're gonna let the we'll let the valve out. Here we go.
But is it?
Do you want me to make it really fast? Fast down?
No.
Ready? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what happened to Emma?
No, I can get out. See?
Oh, here she is. Alright, let's go to the pool, guys.
I can't get out.
Yeah, we gotta fold it up first, then we go to the pool, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright.